siya after pila ka blow all the way. And start na ta. Yayamanin ka for today's video. So, I'm using butter. Next, I added garlic. I also added tomato sauce. Is oyster sauce. And once overload siya, our shrimp na. I added our shrimp na and it's so kumot. Nalang ako kumot kayo siya. And diba, nakaluag-luag man taron. So, I will add Sprite. Haluin. And we'll cover this. Tadaan! It smells so nice and looks tasty. Let's eat na!